In today's video, we'll compare TurboTax and H&R Block to help you decide which tax software is the better choice for your needs. If you're planning to file your taxes online and aren't sure which one to pick, this guide will make the decision easier. Let's start with pricing. Both TurboTax and H&R Block offer free versions for simple tax returns. These free plans usually work for basic income situations, but if your taxes are more complicated, you'll likely need a paid package. In general, H&R Block tends to be more affordable. Their paid plans usually cost less and often include access to a tax professional without extra charges. TurboTax, on the other hand, usually charges more, and getting help from a tax expert often requires upgrading to a higher plan. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Both platforms are designed for beginners and guide you step by step through the tax filing process. H&R Block has a clean and simple layout that explains things clearly as you go. It asks straightforward questions to help you complete your return. TurboTax feels more like having a conversation with a tax preparer. It walks you through each step and helps you understand what information you need. Many users find TurboTax slightly easier to follow, especially if they're filing taxes for the first time. Now let's look at support options. Both services provide help articles and customer support, but the way they offer expert help is different. H&R Block usually includes access to tax professionals with their paid plans, which can be helpful if you need guidance along the way. TurboTax also offers expert help, but it often comes as an upgrade. However, TurboTax does provide options where a tax professional can review your return or even prepare it for you. Another important difference is in-person support. H&R Block has many physical offices where you can meet a tax professional face-to-face. This can be useful if you prefer personal assistance. TurboTax has fewer in-person locations, but it offers strong online support. Both services allow you to import tax documents and track your refund, and both make it easy to file electronically. So, which one should you choose? If you want a lower-cost option with built-in expert support, H&R Block can be a great choice. But if you want a smoother step-by-step experience and more guided help, TurboTax might be the better option. And that's how you decide between TurboTax and H&R Block. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.